Yo, what's up? All right, one thing I want to say, excuse the audio. This is going to the Rode VideoMic Pro on the X-T4. I didn't feel like setting up audio right now. I'm busy cleaning up my space. It's been a minute since I've been in my basement with all my rig stuff. But anyway, all that rambling, I wanted to actually just go unscripted and talk about this guy. Not so much the camera, but the rig accessories I got for my Blackmagic Pocket 6K Pro. And it's from Wooden Camera. But yeah, I had some time. It's like 11 o'clock at night right now. So let's just talk about the accessories I got from Wooden Camera. Speaking of Wooden Camera, I do want to thank them for sending this over. Very kind to let me use the pro version of their cage system for the Blackmagic Pocket 6K Pro. And let's just get right into it. It's really straight to the point. So yeah, this is, like I said before, this is the pro version of the Blackmagic Pocket cage system that Wooden Camera offers. It is on a pricey tag, but the build quality overall is pretty great. So straight out the gate, you guys already know I already been using the cage for a while now, and I like this half cage design. Ton of quarter 20s. And it allows me to be as versatile as I can, adding accessories, top handle, side handle, EVF. So I like this cage a lot. I did wish it was like a full cage. That would have been quite nice, but it is what it is. One thing I was missing from the cage itself was the quick release plate at the bottom. And this is kind of like a universal one, but this is paired with the cage for the camera if you get this kit. I really started to use more dovetail systems. I have one with my Z Cam. Now I have two dovetail systems for both cameras. And dovetail systems are just an easier way to pull off and on the camera. You can easily counterbalance the weight of a camera if you have more accessories for it being heavier. Now, one thing they didn't send me, this is what I purchased already, is the follow focus. And I get a lot of questions about why would you pay $400 for this follow focus versus like $100 follow focus like the Tilta or the small rig. One big reason for me, the size of the handle, the size of the follow focus matters to me, and the responsiveness. Just like a nice soft dampening as you start to turn, so you won't jerk the camera as you're pulling focus, and that's what you don't get in these cheaper, smaller follow focuses. So that's pretty much the main reason you buy high-end quality for the better engineering for the most part, and that's what you get with this follow focus from Wooden Camera. And a Mattebox. Now I have two of these systems. One is broken, but it's holding on to its last leg. So they sent me a new Mattebox, but it's the same thing I'm familiar with. It's a 3 filter system, but you have to drop it in versus it being like a slide down. But it's lightweight, it clamps onto the lenses, and that's what I prefer. Now, the most interesting part of this rig for me is the battery system, because one, since the Blackmagic 6K Pro has a tilting screen, the rig gets really long if you don't use a top monitor. And right now I don't have a external monitor, and I think that's fine for what I'm doing at the moment, but I am looking for options, small HD, or maybe Blackmagic's own video assist monitor, but I don't know yet, so that's gonna be down the line. But since you essentially have to bring out that monitor sometimes to kind of see at certain angles, the rig is really kind of long, as you can see, and that's a pro and a con right now. But I like this battery plate because it's one of those hinges that you can adjust, and then it angles flat or up 90 degrees or whatever angle you need. But yeah, it comes with this LEMO to the 12-volt pin to the camera. I'm not going to use this because I don't think that cable going into the camera or the port itself is very sturdy. I think Blackmagic did a terrible job designing this as an external power source. So right now I'm just using the dummy battery to D-tap. So it's coming out of the camera and then into the D-tap of the base or the battery itself, pretty much just the base. And I just kind of hide that one cable. So right now this is a one cable rig solution, which is kind of nice. Yeah, so I do like the different positions that you can put this battery at. So once I get a monitor and some camera control from that monitor, maybe I can move it closer to make the rig more compact. One thing I did forget to say was the rods that I'm using. Wooden Camera makes these steel rods, which I prefer. It has a better grip, has a little bit more weight than your aluminum rods. And I have them all sized from 18 inches, 12 inches to 6 inches or 8 inches, one of the two. So that's what I have. Wow, battery's going and the timer's running out. Wow, that's a lot. Even though Wooden Camera has given me this cage to use for productions and stuff like that and make a video like this, I've been buying Wooden Camera gear over the last 2 years, and it is pricey, straight up. But what I've been doing is I kind of keep tabs on their sales that they have going on, especially around the holidays like now. So Black Friday, holiday season, year-end sales, whatever that is, I look for the off discounted stuff. And I got quite a few accessories last year from a sale like that. Like, I just like Wooden Camera accessories. It's a brand that I've leveled up from using a lot of small rig parts, and so this was a premium brand I wanted to use with my gear for my production and all that stuff, because it's reliable, it's high quality, and yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. If you guys are interested, definitely you can support me. Check out the links in the description below, and I'll be making more runoff videos like this. So yeah, peace.